Carlos from Rhode Island Telephone, and today we're going to talk about call forwarding on the Avaya in the basic mode. So we're going to talk about forwarding a phone to another phone, and these instructions will work if the Avaya is what they call in the manage basic mode. And the way that you can tell if your system is in a basic mode is that the extensions are 2-digit, meaning 10 and 11. To forward your phone to a coworker phone, all you have to do is hit the feature button and you dial 11. And then you dial the extension you want to forward to, let's say 11. And you simply pick up the receiver and hang up. Now when extension 10 is called, it'll ring extension 11. If you want to shut that off, as a matter of fact, there's a status button here that'll tell you are forwarded. All you have to do is hit status and hit off. And now your calls are back to extension 10.